Let's face it, on the day are the favourites. They've got such a record, and look at this straight away. Afridi, because they know we're going to bowl an off spinner, and they've decided to go in and see whether they can take their chance and get after Wayne Madsen.
Yeah, good move by Hampshire. Shahid Afridi at the top of the order. Dashing Pakistani all-rounder on strike. Not messing around, whipping that through mid-wicket. One bounce to the fielder. Getting well over to the offside. That's a good start by Afridi. He's not going to die wondering. He's going to play shots, and play shots he does.
Well, not got many runs, has he, in T20 recently? And it's a good decision by staff at Hampshire. Craig White, Giles White, to say go in there, chance your arm, try and hit one of Derbyshire's main wicket takers in the power play.
Dead ball, dead ball, dead ball.
I'm testing you now, Dominic. Why did
Bowler and the captain, Afridi just getting himself settled.
Well, there's luck again, I'm sure. Down the ground this time, thumped hard, wristily, and it's 4 more. It beats long on. It's a great start for Hampshire.
Yeah, good start. Tries to follow him, doesn't he? Gives himself room to go over the offside. Solid base. The young batsman out there who wants to make a career in 2020. Solid base, strong from Afridi.
Going again, this time it's over mid-off and one bounce 4. It's explosive stuff from Shahid Afridi. It's 16 without loss. So 1 over gone. And Afridi grasping. Look at the colour of it. Swinging across the line from Afridi, another leg by for 1. Oh, Afridi goes. That's a trademark Afridi slap over wide long on for the first 6 of the night.
In his arc, isn't it? It's where not to bowl to Shahid Afridi. Going deep in his crease. How deep he is in the crease. He's trying to go perhaps a little bit squarer. Gets enough of it. Good catch in the crowd. Oh, put down. But he caught it at one stage. Under pressure now, Cotton. Wicket 6. What now?
Oh, straight. He's got all of that. That's over the media centre. Massive blow. Huge shot.
Again, wrong length. He's enjoying this, Afridi. He's probably been waiting to open the batting all season for Hampshire. He's probably been telling James Spence, I'm your man to open. And tonight he's showing that he still has the ability to hit big sixes out the middle. 30.
It's just a swipe.
Yeah, not at all where he wanted it to go. Shahid, 37 years old.
Oh, another biggie. Mid-on. Gonna get there, mid-on, mid-on. No!
Well, he pulled off a brilliant catch a little earlier. Matt Henry swirling in the air. This time it's a full toss. Shahid Afridi would have wanted that to go out the stands. And to make matters worse, he's parried it over the rope.
I can't help but thinking they bowled the wrong length to him. Just don't pitch it up to him. Length balls, no. He's on the move there. That'll be a wide, will it? Full toss again, and it's smacked away over extra cover. 1 bounce. 71 for 1 in 6 overs. Power play.
71 for 1. That completes the power play.
That's better. That's better. Bang it in there. That's better. He's gone for 6.
"50 up for Afridi in 20 deliveries. He's gone for the short ball once more, and unfortunately for Henry, it's found the stands.
Well, that's his second 50 in 55 innings. They've done brilliantly. Send him in first. Oh, he's off again. Look out in the crowd. He's not come down yet.
He's always been one of these players that has the ability to light up a stadium. He found that really well, did Afridi.
Certainly did. Hello. Look out in the crowd. In fact, look out in the road.
Oh my word, Shahid Afridi, he's putting on a performance tonight. This is belligerent. I fancy a bit of that. Let me have a bit of that.
Well, that's not coming back for a while. Look at the air time. That's out of here.
Good length, sir. Good check.
Now then, mid-wicket. No, there's a field over there. It's bounced on that roof. Good gracious.
Get your helmets on if you're in the crowd. Just offered, the only one he's offered in this over. A bit of length, and it's disappeared. Watch out for your cars.
Oh, hit straight, hit powerfully. Oh, superb. All wrist. 4 more.
Played some incredible shots, hasn't he? Down the ground, this time on the ground. Incredible hit over the media centre.
Equals his career T20 best. Shahid Afridi. Oh, neatly played. Tahir has parried that away for 4. He should have done better, I think.
Yeah, and the face and the reaction says it all, really, from Villiers.
Up in the air, and the catch again is the cry, but it's away behind point and will spin to Goggleman in the end.
Good ball. Well done.
Oh, the little flick. It's gone into the dugout. Caught by Bailey, dropped by Bailey. What's he doing, George Bailey?
Hand went up from George Bailey. Couldn't see, probably had the lid on. But what another, I mean, extraordinary shot, wasn't it, again? Just a little flick. It's not a small boundary.
Trying to catch that. Oh, delicate dab. He'll go 2 at least. Villiers, the fielder. The masterclass from Afridi.
Good finish, yeah. Good finish, lad.
Wide, well wide. So here, well, quite sure what to do next in the face of this onslaught. Cut away, backward a point. This is going to be his 100th. Absolutely magnificent from Shahid Afridi.